Maybe one example. I think
Maybe
that's
one example
quite
is,
interesting.
so the way to synchronize, so you have 8 GPUs that are all doing forward backwards. The way to synchronize gradients between them is to use a distributed data parallel container of PyTorch, which automatically does all the, as you're doing the backward, it will start communicating and synchronizing gradients. I didn't use DDP because I didn't want to use it because it's not necessary. So I threw it out. And I basically wrote my own synchronization routine that's inside the step of the optimizer. And so the models were trying to get me to use the DDP container. And they were very concerned about, okay, this gets way too technical, but I wasn't using that container because I don't need it, and I have a custom implementation of something like it.
And they just couldn't internalize that you had your own.
Yeah, they couldn't get past that. And then they kept trying to like mess up the style. Like they're way too over defensive. They make all these try-catch statements. They keep trying to make a production code base. And I have a bunch of assumptions in my code, and it's okay. And it's just like, I don't need all this extra stuff in there. And so I just kind of feel like they're bloating the code base, they're bloating the complexity, they keep misunderstanding, they're using deprecated APIs a bunch of times. So it's a total mess. It's just not that useful. I can go in, I can clean it up, but it's not that useful.